And I want you to close your eyes. Close your eyes. Listen to the sounds of the ocean. See yourself at peace. Remember those that you love. Think about the things that you wanted to say, but you did not say. And what would you say at this time? Just meditate on that. For if I knew that it would be the last time I'd see you fall asleep, I would tuck you in more tightly and pray the Lord your soul to keep. If I knew it would be the last time that I'd see you walk out the door, I would give you a hug and a kiss and call you back for one more. If I knew it would be the last time I'd hear your voice lifted up in praise, I would videotape each action and word so I could play them back each day. If I knew it would be the last time I could spare an extra minute or two to stop and say, I love you, instead of assuming you would know I do. If I knew it would be the last time I would be there to share your day, well, I'm sure you'll have so many more, so I can just let this one slip away. For surely there's always tomorrow to make up for an oversight, and we always get a second chance to make everything right. There's always been another day to say our I love yous, and certainly there's another chance to say anything I can do, but just in case I might be wrong, and today is all I get, I'd like to say how much I love you, and I hope we never forget. Tomorrow is not promised to anyone, young or old alike. And today may be the last chance you get to hold your loved one tight. So if you're waiting for tomorrow, why not do it today? For if tomorrow never comes, you'll surely regret the day that you didn't take that extra time for a smile, a hug, or a kiss. And you were too busy to grant someone what turned out to be their one last wish. So hold your loved ones tight today. Take time to say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, or it's okay. And if tomorrow never comes, you'll have no regrets about today. And this was written by my niece, Bobby Bowles, on the 1st of January, the year 2000. She said, I thought about my family. She wrote it down on some little pieces of paper and read it to us on New Year's Day. So I share that with you, that we never forget. We think we have time, but we don't. And as someone in the group said today, there is no time. The time is short. And for most of us, we have more time behind us than we have in front of us. So every day is an important day, and let's live it as it is. So at this time, I want you to put your certificates over there. Just lay them down over there where your shoes are. You can wrap your watch in something because you're going to get a little